How to do product research for eBay dropshipping. Welcome to this guide on how to conduct product research for eBay dropshipping. Finding the right product to sell is one of the most crucial steps for building a profitable eBay dropshipping business. In this tutorial, we'll break down proven research strategies to help you identify high demand, low competition products that can generate consistent sales. Now, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to understand eBay's market trends. You want to use the eBay's trending section to see what products are currently in high demand. You want to check eBay's bestseller list to identify categories with strong sales. You can just browse the eBay's deals section to find items frequently promoted by eBay itself. And then we can use tools like Google Trends to validate whether the demand for a product is growing or declining. So from here, once you navigate through the official website, we have something like the news section, you have the trending section, and more. You can just go ahead and study those sections, and you want to validate them using Google Trends. From here, if we navigate through the Google Trends website, click on the Explore button, we can then go ahead and categorize our location, the date right here, the categories, and web search. So in our case, let's go ahead and put something like United States, and let's go ahead and set the date right here into something like 90 days. And for categories, you can just go ahead and choose your specific niche. Let's go ahead and say that you're into something like computer and electronics. And so if we scroll down, we will then go ahead and get this search topics based on our filters for United States, past 90 days, and computers and electronics category. From here, we will get something like the Best Buy topic, Squid Games, which is a show, HP topics, and more. You can just go ahead and capitalize this and validate the items that we got from eBay to Google Trends. And moving forward, let's navigate through one of the most crucial categories in my opinion, which is basically using the eBay specific research tool. Now there are tools like the Terapeak. It is available in the eBay Seller Hub. It helps analyze past sales data to determine products, demands, and pricing. You then have something like the Zik Analytics. You can just go ahead and search these tools on Google, or once again, they will be on the description box below. For Zik Analytics, it allows you to spy on the top selling listings and evaluate your competition. And then we have something like AutoDS, which offers competitor reach tools to find profitable listing. And lastly, we then have AlgoPix, which provides real-time sales data and profitability analysis. You can just go ahead and review these tools in order to go ahead and review and analyze products on eBay itself. From there, we can then go ahead and analyze the competitor listing. You want to search for your niche on the eBay and analyze the top listing for your specific niche. You want to check the sales history of competitors using the sold listing filter. You have to observe the pricing strategies and shipping options used by successful sellers. And then we have to read customer reviews to identify the gaps in the product quality or service. Note whether competitors offer variations, bundles, or unique selling points. From there, we navigate through sourcing high demand and low competition products. Basically, you want to check AliExpress for trending products that have high order volumes. You want to use CJ Dropshipping and Salehu to find reliable suppliers with faster shipping options. We want to search for the product wholesale suppliers on websites like BHGate and Alibaba. You want to look for US-based suppliers on S-Pocket to provide faster delivery times. And lastly, you want to identify private labeled opportunities where you can brand products uniquely. From there, we can then go ahead and evaluate profit margins and our pricing strategies. You want to compare the supplier's cost with eBay's average selling price. You want to factor in the eBay selling fees and PayPal transaction cost. You want to consider shipping cost and whether free shipping can give you a competitive edge. You want to analyze whether offerings, discount, or bundle deals can basically increase the sale volume. And lastly, you want to calculate your break-even point and set pricing accordingly. From there, we navigate through leveraging the eBay search algorithm for visibility. You want to optimize your product titles with high search volume or keywords using the eBay suggested search terms. You can then go ahead and use detailed and compelling product description to increase conversions. You want to upload high quality images and videos to stand out in your search results. You want to offer competitive shipping options as eBay favors sellers with faster shipping times. And lastly, you want to encourage buyers to leave positive feedback as higher seller ratings improve your visibility. And now, let's validate the product demand before listing them. You can go ahead and basically run test listing with different pricing and shipping options. You want to use eBay promoted listing feature to see which product gained the most traction on your niche. You want to track product performance over time and you can refine your listing strategy. From there, we can consider split testing multiple product variations to determine the best performer. And then you can monitor seasonal trends and adjust your inventory accordingly. Now by doing this, we won't go ahead and risk our product and risk our effort into something like a non-hitting product. And lastly, after finding the right product for your dropshipping business, we navigate through scaling your eBay dropshipping business. From there, we can then go ahead and automate product research with tools like Zik Analytics and AutoDS. We can then go ahead and expand to multiple eBay marketplaces like US, UK, Canada, Australia, and more. We can utilize social media and influencer marketing to drive external traffic. We can offer bulk discounts and loyalty rewards to encourage repeat customers. And lastly, regularly analyze new trends and adapt to the market changes. From there, you will be set to a success on the dropshipping business. So in conclusion, product research is the foundation of a successful eBay dropshipping business. By using the right tools, analyzing competitors, and sourcing profitable products, you can increase your chances of success. You want to stay updated with market trends, refine your pricing strategy, and always test new products to stay ahead. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.